take a few slow, deep breaths and repeat after me. I am now enjoying my career as a sales professional. I am now closing my next sales confidently and easily. I am now closing more sales than ever before. I am now creating the habit of closing sales. I am now building a reputation as a successful sales professional. I am now achieving sales success. I am now enjoying being an outstanding sales professional. I am now experiencing satisfaction with my closing abilities. I am now celebrating closing another sale. I am now enjoying being an unstoppable sales professional. I am now achieving massive success and closing more sales than ever before. Well done. Now, as I count up from 1 to 5, you will return to your day feeling motivated, confident, and ready to take your powerful new beliefs and mindset forward. And this will empower you in the days and months to come. Starting with number 1. You now find that you are even more focused and motivated to achieve your goals. 2, you feel a growing sense of confidence and certainty. 3, you feel entirely comfortable with your healthy, positive self-image. 4, you feel a sense of gratitude as you exercise and strengthen your mind. And 5, know that you now have everything you need to succeed. As we finish for now, take just a moment and find one action step that you can commit to taking in the next 24 hours that will reinforce your new beliefs and positive mindset. Now, commit to it. Take that step in your mind and enjoy moving forward. And remember, you are unstoppable.